In the last video, we were talking about liquid state and we were talking about oil is thicker and sticker and so flows more slowly than water. Now let's continue. Oil and honey are more viscous than water. Sorry about my pronunciation, everyone. Viscosity test. Viscosity test. Viscosity is a measure of how thick a liquid is. For example, honey is more viscous than water. These are some chemicals right over here. As you can see, these are chemicals here plus this. And these are injections which are given. I will have to research about this one. So don't worry guys about that. Now let's continue. This is a very important thing. As I've said, viscosity is a measure of how thick a liquid is, and honey is more viscous than water. You can see low viscosity right over here, and you can see high viscosity over here. Water and syrup. Now let's talk about gaseous state. What is gaseous? Gases have mass, but they don't have a fixed volume or shape. For example, over here it is shown. All smoking particles are right over here. Smoke and everything is here. All smoke. For example, wait, guys, just give me a second. For example, I'm here and this is the factory I'm working in. Usually we humans didn't have these kind of factories. But nowadays we humans have created this factory for unnecessarily use and releasing these CO2, also known as carbon dioxide. Did you know that these can go inside our nose and lungs and can cause cancer? Cancer. Oh, sorry. CER. Okay? Now let's continue. As I said, they don't have a fixed volume nor shape. Gases can flow, hence gases are called fluids. That is true. Now can you tell me why are they fluids? I'll tell you why. Because as you can see, smoke here, everything are fluid. Did you know that the chemical water, these chemical waters and this also chemical waters are mixed with gaseous state? Okay, so gaseous can flow, hence gases are called as fluids. Very, very important. Okay guys, now let's continue with the video. Now let's take one last revision, shall we? Let's do it. Now over here, solid can't be compressed, obviously can't be compressed. Liquid hardly can be compressed. Gas highly can be compressed. See, the molecules in the solid are together, which means they cannot move. In the liquid, give me a second guys, I'll erase everything. Okay guys, so this is my screen. Now I'll show you. They can hardly be compressible, that's correct. And second of all, the liquids which are there right now, the liquids are now separated. What? Separated. Got it? Now next is gas. They are also getting separated. So here over here says gases can be highly compressible. They are, for example, I have a bowl and I'm having a glass of water. But the question is Is water liquid? Answer this question in the comments below now. So the answer, yes, it is a liquid. Because it flows, it can be flown, and second of all, it is a fluid. Okay? Now let's continue. Now, for now, I'll be keeping my camera on. Okay? No chemical difference. Sorry, I'm in the liquid state. Sorry, my bad. I'll change the color into black. Sorry, white. No. Okay, now over here, it is says that ice is melting. Okay, ice is melting. What? Melting. Okay. Now, why is it melting? Can you tell me why is it melting? Because if you keep it for a long time, all water things will come and everything will be melted. Okay, it turns into liquid. What it turns into? Liquid. All those who have not understood, please say in the comments below, then I can tell you more. Okay, it can be a liquid, then it converts into gas. Now there is one thing. The states of matter are therefore called physical states. Very, very important. Very, very important. Physical states. Okay. Now let's continue. Composition of matter. Now, in composition of matter, there are atoms and molecules. So, all matter is made up of small particles are called as atom. Okay, you may refer from Google, but after the video, we will be answering some questions. Let's see. It might be like top 4 questions. After the video, we'll be doing top 4 questions. Okay? Now, over here, composition of matter. Atom. The nucleus is the middle part. Neutron is here, the red part. Proton is here. The electron is the charged particle. Okay? Now, I will first tell you what's a proton. Proton is which it is it's a positive charge. What do we say? It's a positive charge. What is neutron? Neutron is nothing except the electron actually, neutron is nothing, but sometimes it has a negative charge. Okay, it has a negative charge. What is electron? It is the same. It goes through the nucleus and to protons and neutrons. Okay, guys. Now let's continue. So now you understood what's an electron. An electron is which it's a negatively charged, as the same as neutron. Lithium atom. This will be in the higher grade, so people don't worry about lithium atom. Okay. Let's continue. Molecules. Okay, now what are molecules? Molecules are the smallest particles. They are very small particles that can exist independently in nature. They are known as molecules. They can be like oxygen, O2, ozone. So O2 is this, and ozone. Okay, ozone is this as a triangle. Okay, this. Actually, no, it has something else. This. See over here also. So over here, H O H. Okay. Now let's continue. All matter is made up of small particles are called atoms. I've said that correct. Atoms are building blocks of matter. If I've said that, yeah. Then they are the smallest particle of an element that exhibit all properties of an element. Most of the atoms do not exist independently in nature, except the molecules. Atoms combine to form molecules. What? They combine to form molecules. Molecules are the smallest particle of matter that can exist independently in nature. I've said that. Wait, before I go, anyway, the phone is getting hot. It's fine. Now, in this, can you see here? H plus H becomes H2. What is H2? Can anybody guess? Please write it in the comments below, and please subscribe to my channel. Please write the answer in the comments, and then you'll be spotlighted in the video. Atoms that can build a molecule may either be identical or different. See, OCO, atom of carbon and 2 atoms of oxygen, and oxygen atom here, over here, and it's over here and over here. Neon, over here is the neon. Okay. Arrangement of particles in different states. That is a very important one. Arrangement of particles in the different state. Whether a substance is in the solid, liquid, or gaseous state, it depends on the way that the particles are arranged. So this depends on 2 factors. What are the 2 factors? Intermolecular force and intermolecular force. Space, sorry. What is intermolecular force? Actually, the force of attraction between particles over here. Over here. It's written here. The force of attraction between particles that hold the particles of a substance together is called intermolecular force. So these are separated over here, and numbers are written etc. Just leave it. Okay, this is the intermolecular attraction. Okay, this and this is also a intermolecular attraction. What is the intermolecular space? Very good question. See, over here is also written, but there is no definition for this. But in the solids, the what do we say? The intermolecular space. Sorry. The intermolecular space is basic. The particles that can only vibrate in their place. They cannot move from their positions. Since there is a little space between the particles, solids have a fixed volume and cannot be compressed. Okay. Arrangement of particles in different states. That is some kind of that will be not there in your exam if they ask, but I'll still do it for you guys. Let's again do it. Okay. Arrangement of particles in different states. You see here in the solids, they have little space. Okay, they have little space. Oh, what has happened? They have little space. In liquids, they can flow. What? Flow. Very important, huh? Please subscribe to this channel if you want more videos like these. Gases are roaming. What? They are separated. Oh. Okay. Arrangement of particles in solids. This will be not coming. Nor this. Nor this. Interconversion between the states of matter. So the three states of matter are therefore convertible. Interconversion can be brought about by the change in temperature and pressure. For now, we will be now stopping here because now this is part 2 video. In part 3, we'll be learning on change in temperature and we'll be learning in change in pressure. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. This is Christopher Official YT. Actually COYT Official Education signing off.